guys, it's back with another episode, and today we're doing some Hunger Games on Diamond Valley. So yeah, we're gonna get started, and so yeah, it's 30 seconds, we better hurry up. Put this right here, because sometimes it disturbs me whenever I'm playing. I'm really sorry about the background, guys. Starting 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Never mind, I changed my mind to go over here. It's like a whole bunch of chests. No, cool. Fucking fifth, whatever. You're freaking free. He went the other way. Oh yes. I need a weapon. Don't care about that. Don't pay. Oh yes. Yes. I got all of these chests to myself, but I'm just doing this so fast. Go run. Oh, took this. Oh, yes. We made it, guys. We made it. We have full armor. I can't believe we just took those stuff. Put the cake in my hot bar. Yep, and start eating. They took me down low. Oh shoot. I'm just so hyped right now. I can't believe I just got that. If we die, it's gonna be a shame of ourselves. Already? 5 players remaining? Oh, man. They're going down fast. No, that I was the one that took it. I took mostly all the chests. I didn't even care. Like, nope, don't care about. I just went for the. Oh nope. You never know if he's that selected. Get away from people. So yeah, I have pretty good armor. What else should I put mine in the heart bar? Put that. That's all I need in my heart bar. Nope, don't want to go down there. Because if we go down there, we're made. So yeah, get this started. There is a chest right here. If y'all don't guys believe me, here's proof. So I can go check this thing out. You don't need it. I feel bad for the people. Come on. I just put these stuff for them. I just feel bad. I just got so many stuff out of that. Look at my armor. It's so great. I love it. It's just that. 5 minutes? I am not going to go spawn just because. Ooh, wait. Does he have some stuff? He's looking at the chest. He better look because I didn't take nothing. I only took the little. All I took was the good stuff. He's right there. Should I go for him? I just need some iron stuff. That's what I need. I'm just scared. I'm kind of scared, but then I'm not because I have beast armor. So, ooh, stick. That's great. I want that. So yeah, I'm just waiting for chests to refill. I'm going for these chests. If he goes for these chests, I'm pissed. Oh my gosh. These are my chests. Nope. School killer. These are my chests. These are my chest. Oh shoot. Oh guys. Oh guys, we had that iron sword. It's okay, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Smack that like button and See you guys all later. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye bye.